Welcome to the channel Code Effectively. The video for today is if you are given any string, let it be any string. Let's say it's India. So you have to print this in this manner, the given. So let it be, if I say a cat would be given as a string, then you have to print it cat, then reduce the last word, then remove the second last word, and that's it. So I have taken a big example, that is the country name India. Let's start, and this is the most important video in class 10th board exam. So you should watch this video, and 12th student, you should also watch. So let's start. Basically, if you go for the indexing of the string, the indexing would go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 and this will be 3 and then 4. So if you can see it, then the indexing is going from 0 to 4 to the last one. So now let me go and do the indexing here also. If we do for the indexing here, so it will be also same. That is, it will go from 0 till the entire string. Okay, so till the entire string. And let's say if the length is, if the indexing is going till 0, so our length will be what? 5. So let's say it is going for the entire length, that is 0 to 5. Then it will go from 0 to 4. Then it is going from, let's see, 0 to 3. And then it is going from 0 to 2. And then it's finally 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 means the only one number. Okay, so now this variation, we will put this as I for the loop. And now you see the magic, I will print. Let's say we have to first calculate the length of the given string, whatever be the length. Okay, so this is, let's say S is my input string. So I will calculate the length of the string, and then my for loop will go from till the length. As you can see, I have told you my for loop is I, and I will go from length to 1. So I will also do like this only, from length to less than equals to let's say 1. Okay, so this will be what? This will be 1. Okay, so this will be 1, and that's I minus minus. Let's start, and this is let's so PL, and we will put this SLN, and we will just substring. We will extract the string from 0 till ith position. Now see the magic. I will do the entire dry run so that you understand each and every step what I am doing out here. So let's say I have in the S string is INDAIA. This is my India string. I am indexing is giving the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth index. Okay, so now initially what is the length? Length is 5. So L is equals to 5. Our for loop will start from 5. Okay, and it will go till 1. For I equals to 5, it will check 5 is greater than equals to 1. I am putting out I here. When I is 5, it will check the condition is true. It will come inside the loop, and it will be S dot substring 0 till I. So what does it means? You have to print the string S. What part of the string you have to print from 0 till I? What is the value of I? 5. So you have to print the substring part. Which part? 0 to 5. So let's see what is 0 to 5. So okay, one more thing I would like to give you. In S dot substring, whatever we have for the index, let's say 0 comma whatever be the index. So what my computer will do, my Java index, it will print from the starting 0th index to the index last index minus 1. Let's say this is cat. Okay, and this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2. And if I want substring 0 to 1, what it will print? It will go and find and print the starting B character with 0, and then what I said, index minus 1. So 0, 0. So it will print only cat. Okay, C. And had it been, it will be 0 to, I have given 2. So what it will print? It will go and print from 0 to 2 minus 1. So what it will be the last index? 0 comma 1. So it will print from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, what is there? CA. So CA will be printed. So you got that the last character, if we want to print the last character, we have to give plus 1 position to it, so that whenever the inside the computer it will go, it will minus 1 position, and then only it will print. Okay, so here also it's same thing happening. 0 to I. 0 to I, that is 0 to 5. So what it will go inside the computer? S dot substring. It will ask the computer with 0 to 4. That is 5 minus 1. That gives 4. So 0 to 4 we have to print. 0 to 4 is entire India. So India will be printed out here. Okay, when I value will be 4. I value will be 4. Okay, it will check 4 is less than equals to 1. Condition true. So S dot substring, and it will be 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 means what? It will print 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 means indirectly in computer 0 to 3. It will print 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 index is INDI. Okay. After that, again I value will be 3. It will go S dot substring 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 means 0 to 2. Okay. So it will be IND. Again it will come, I value will be 2, so it will print 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means 0 to 1, so in. And similarly last is 1, so it will print 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 means 0 comma 0, so it will be only one character, that is I, so I will be printed. Now I value will be 0. It will check 0 is greater than equals to 0, condition false. Is less than greater than equals to 1, condition false. So our loop will come out and this will be our output. So hope you understand this video and the concept what I was trying to explain you, what the main substring function you have to use, this substring function, and how you have to use lattice from 0 to the last position -1. It will print this much of character in it. And this is what I did. I just used the for loop, and in a single for loop I was able to print the entire string. The people who thought that there will be two for loops required, that a nested for loop inside a for loop and a for loop, that's logic is completely wrong. We only require one for loop and a method name as substring. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly go and share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel.